So yeah, my demos are up. Let me share my screen properly. So here is the S3 demo. It's just a simple Next.js app. Says welcome to S3 demo powered by Vessel. So it's here you have an upload button. When you click it, it takes you to select the file to upload. Then it uploads the file, and then it returns and then it should return the URL. Yeah, it should return the URL here. So this is where you can access. You see, so this is what I meant. Okay, this is what I meant by signed URLs. It has a signature that is created by the secret key and the access key. The access key can be easily found on the URL, but the secret key, as they say, is a secret key. It's not easily available unless you are able to read the source code. So okay, here is that application working. First we got the upload, then we post to the endpoint, uploaded endpoint, which takes the file name, the file type, and the strategy, and then on the backend, on my Next.js backend, it signs the URL using the major secret key and the access key major. Then it returns temporary access keys. It returns this one, that the ones that have these are called STS credentials. STS credentials are credentials that have the session tokens and secret key and access key, and they mostly, basically all of them that I have seen, they start with Asia, and then the rest of the 40 characters. Is it 40? I think it's 40. And then you have your session token here. Then it returns the path or the key, and then it returns the bucket, this demo S3 POC, and the region. Then it takes this returned credentials and these metadata, and then it posts to it posts to it will post to AWS, and then it will use the S3 upload federation, and then it will upload the file. Then so because we are using a private bucket, we have to get the key somehow, the uploaded file somehow. That's where this API generates temporary URL comes from. So when you send your key or the file that you want to access, the backend will send the URL with the access and access. You'll send the bucket, the region, and the key with your access key ID and the secret key, and then so you will take this URL is the one that is returned to the user, and they can use it to access the file. See, that's how you access the file. However, there is no protection on how this file, how I use, if anybody, how this file is signed. So we can try to attack it. So basically, if I saw something like this, maybe I would start maybe like trying to hit the whole bucket. However, as we'll soon find out, this is an issue because this backend will sign the URL by appending the key. However, if you append the key, this won't work because this key won't be found.
George?
Yeah?
Kidogo kuna mtu anauliza kama unaweza zoom in kama fonti kwa kidogo kiasi.
Oh, ya bap.
Ya bap. I guess iko huko kwa settings huko. And then mahali kuna user or something like that.
Iko sawa?
Hiyo ni kama inaongeza fonti ya vitu zenye hatutaki.
Inaongeza ya hizi zingine.
But ni sawa tu, ukijaribu unaweza zoom ya browser at least ndio watu waone huko. Hakuna mtu anajua pa hiyo setting inakuanga. Mtu aseme kwa chat pa hiyo setting inakuanga. Still doesn't work. Unaweza endelea asiluka kama kuna solution.
Mtu akipata solution aniambie. So tumeona like the returned URL ikiwa signed. Tukikuja kwa browser, inasema hivi, the specified key was not found, because tukichukua hii URL to distract, tutaona this got appended kwa URL, and that's not a valid key. However, the second attempt yenye naweza jaribu kuattack ni kutafuta like tuliona the files were being uploaded to customers .png. So the second attack inaweza kuwa how I use specialized folders. So tunaweza jaribu kuattack the root directory. So tuone if maybe like ni possible ku attack the root directory. Ona, nasema no search key. High risk zinaitwaje? stuff zenye ziko ndani. However, so maybe assume this is a banking app. Maybe ama assume ni like if for the Kenyan people, mnajua like during this period when Safaricom was doing ID checks, we were uploading IDs based on the ID number .jpeg. So assume this bank maybe inachukua like PDFs za maybe like documents za users, maybe wanachukua PDFs. So tuna sign maybe to assume wanaenda na numbers based juu most applications hazikuangi secure, wanaenda na numbers. So the request signature calculation does not match what you provided. Basically what you do is try out a bunch of attacks, uone ni gani inaweza work. Or you can maybe like unajaribu maybe like iko PDF, iko vitu kama images, kila kitu yenye iko, you just try, maybe you send, tuseme tu assume hivyo Safaricom hivyo they were doing, they were taking your ID number, maybe it's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, is it 8 or 9, maybe it's 9, and then you are appending like that, and then maybe they upload kwa S3 buckets. If you are able to get to this file, unaweza kuwa nayo, unaweza pasa. Basically hii point inaweza kuwa point ya brute force, maybe checking if I'm not sure why AWS just decided not to respond. Seems my internet iko sawa. I don't know why my application just decided to not respond. Let's see if the demo. Let's restart the application. I absolutely have no idea why my application isn't responding. Okay, let's move to demo number 2. Okay, for demo number 2, we have like a social media app that takes in a user, takes in email, password, and a username. However, it performs checks if not. Just a moment. You can see if while we are typing, it's performing an API check to check if the username is available. So what happens if we, okay, let's first change this to, let's first register a user. Can things possibly go wrong? Since I have the wrong file. Just a moment. So okay, let's check the code before, so that we can figure out what I was saying. First, it checks a regex to ensure that the username is only letters like the alphabet and numbers. Then it checks if the username exists on the backend. It's using the Mongoose model, the ORM Mongoose. If it's available, it goes to perform a post. However, if you check this code, it doesn't check if that username is taken. So if we could just check what this model is. name, username. Let's draft. Let's quickly draft and it requires those are empty. Nope. This nope. For the error part, this is what happens when this is what I was telling you guys. If you want to know where Express is running on the server, you can always send a malformed JSON and it will tell you, as you can see, it gives you the path. Okay. Let's send this to the browser. Intercept is on. Forward. Change request method. Sign up. JSON. Then we can forward. Yeah, that didn't work the way I wanted. API sign up. This is what I meant. So as you can see, it tells you unexpected error in JSON position 319. It tells you the library being used. It tells you the path of the server. As you can see, mine is running at local disk G demo, and it tells you some information about the server. So now let's quickly create a user. Bio password. What's that name? Model is a model. Required. Okay, let's see if this one works. Oh, seems my I have to wait for this to come. What happened to my uploaded demo? Don't get it. Why is it working here but not working? Okay, let's see. So as I was telling you guys, maybe maybe like if they had some uploads directory you can brute force, maybe it's a bank and they are taking customer records, maybe like you upload a file and you find that your customer record maybe is maybe like maybe 600,000 and something. So your request would be like they will take the 600, they will append the PDF in uploads, they'll send Okay. No, I think don't know. AWS 3. Let's try something else. This work. Okay. Let's see what's up. Seems my S3 demo won't work. Very bad day. Seems none of my demo wants to work. So I guess we'll have to cover for now. We'll have to go to theory for now as I make the demos work. Okay, so okay, let me show you how a developer should have fixed that issue with S3 not being secure. So this is the code that we are using to generate the storage. It takes in the folder and the file name that we provide from our request. So for it to be secure, all you have to do is implement some randomness to the generation of the folder per customer. So first let's do some, and let's do npm install crypto, the package. and we stop our server and then run it again with npm run dev. It has loaded everything. Let's see if it works for once.
Yeah, George, I think you're still
Yeah.
seeing the screen and you go the Google Sheet or something, the presentation stuff.
Oh, I forgot. Let me share. So this was the initial code. This one was the initial code. Let's stop the server. Let's run it again. Upload file. Should drop the request here. Let's check. So here is the URL. So let's try to fix the issue and see what the developer could have done. First of all, we do an npm install crypto. This is a cryptography library. So then we import it via constant crypto equals require. I don't know if this will work. This must fail. Then we generate a random UID. Let's console.log UID. Then for the folder, instead of just relying on customer, we take the UID variable okay, let's see if this works. Let's stop and start. Let's restart the server. Mostly this won't work. There's a possibility it won't work. So let's see if we face any error. I think we have error about importing. Oh, we don't have any errors, do we? Let's see. Oh, we don't have any errors. It's successfully did what we wanted. It's appended a folder. If yeah, it's appended the UID version 4 folder. So if this could just respond, I don't know why S3 is not responding to my requests. It seems none of the demos will work. Okay, so basically we have seen what the developer could have done to ensure that maybe the URLs are a little bit secure. Okay, for the rest of the talk, okay. What I wanted to show you is most developers put their maybe their source code in maybe secret files and source codes in the S3 buckets. So if you are able to have a vulnerability like this one where you are able to query the exact path, you can brute force and maybe if the demo worked, we would have gotten the secrets.txt, the S3 RAB backup file, and this was the folder I wanted to get. In this contains some PDF that were for the demo. For this, I would have shown you, if you are able to extract the source code, maybe you can find the .n. That .n has the, okay, I won't show it now because it has all the secret access keys and whatnot. You know what? Let me show you how it looks like. So this is the URL. This is the S3 upload key, the secret key, and this is the secret key. This is the access key. So as an attacker, if you have this, you have complete control of the bucket. You can even create new buckets with that. You can even delete the bucket. You can let's see so let's assume as an attacker you have found a way to leak the AWS environment variables. So this is how you import them, and this is what. So we will do AWS -- profile attacker configure. This will create an AWS profile called attacker. So with that, you can do AWS -- profile attacker, and then you do S3 rs. This will list all the available backups. Oh shit. It will list all the available S3, and as you can see, I have 2 buckets, and I don't know why that key has access to those buckets. I will change those keys. Okay. So we have 2 buckets. So you can do SRS S3 on the demo -S3 -POC. Alternatively, you can create a bucket. You can use the S3 API. You see, you can create new buckets. You can assign. You can try other resources, but okay, this keys only have AWS S3 resources, and I will delete them later because I have seen they have too much permissions. So basically, for the fix, we have seen the developer could have implemented the folder structure that has UID, and then maybe the file name could have contained UIDs. But my Amazon AWS has failed. Okay, I think I think we should do. I will. I will. I will. I will. I will do a video for that, and I will upload it to the YouTube channel. Since we are out of time, I would like to thank you guys for attending. And if you have any questions, you can ask before we end the talk. Does anybody have any question? The demos have failed. Apparently, everything that can go wrong did go wrong today. Fuck. Anybody with any question?
Hi, John. I guess we have a live streaming on this. There's someone asking whether it's being recorded. John Collins.
I think I can answer that. So yeah, we do have a recording, and also apparently the meeting or rather the session was still live on YouTube. So after the session ends, you can still get the videos and it will be uploaded automatically. I think.
Fine.
Excuse me, the name of your YouTube channel.
I think you can just search Backbone K. You can find it. Then, well, you can just ask over the WhatsApp group, and we get you sorted. But you on YouTube, you can just search Backbone K.
And where can I find your WhatsApp group link?
So I don't have it on me currently because I'm using my PC. But again, which group are you on WhatsApp? If you're in any group and you saw the banner, you can just reply to the banner and we get the link. Also, I think we're done with the session for the night, and you can just give some closing remarks, including thanking the presenter and also the guys for sacrificing their time and all.
Yeah, so guys, thanks for joining. It was a good session, despite a few challenges. I think for those who have joined late, they can always watch the video on YouTube. Yeah, so thanks for joining, and see you guys.
And good night to everyone who is not a man.